Students, we are going to see the reproduction in Spirogalla. Reproduction in Spirogalla takes place by means of the three methods. One is the vegetative method. Second one is the asexual method, and the third one sexual method. The sexual method here takes place by formation of the similar gametes. Formation of two similar gametes. Therefore, it is known as isogamous. Sexual reproduction takes place by means of the isogamous type. Isogamous is similar gametes. Gamous is gametes. Formation of the two similar gametes. Here, the reproduction takes place sexual by means of the conjugation method. Conjugation method. Here, conjugation type reproduction takes place, which forms non-flagellated gametes. Non-flagellated gametes. See here, the vegetative reproduction by means of the filamentous fragmentations, filamentous branches structure, asexual formations of the acrospore, parthenospore, zygospores. Here, sexual method takes place. Here, it forms silky, filamentous, much elongated thallus. That thallus is the process. The thallus here, when the matures and while the timing of the conjugations, the thallus which lie parallel to each other, that come together from the reproduction. Suppose these two similar morphological structures, filaments, become parallel to each other, or these two, means the filamentous are in this Spirogalla the interwoven constellations. But the two identical filaments come together for the conjugation. Conjugation takes place by means of the two methods. One is a scalary form. One is a scalary form. Here, scalary form, the two filaments which are nearer to each other come together and take part in the reproduction. Suppose this one filament similar length and this one, they come close together, we consider by a one and an. Here I am going to draw this one filament, and this one, second, similar size, similar length. Each and every filament, it is the having multicellular filaments. The filaments here consist, that is the chloroplasts. Each and every filaments, the cell structure is similar and take part in the reproduction. filaments having the pyramidines, ribbon shaped filament, the dense nucleus, dense cytoplasm. I have enlarged the filaments, two filaments together. Already we have seen the cell structure of these filaments. In this reproduction, not necessary to say the detailed structure of the cell, only two identical or two similar morphological filaments come together like parallel to each other. Morphological similars. Morphological similar. But they are physiologically dissimilar. Physiological dissimilar filaments come together. They lie parallel to each other along its length. While taking some changes in this communication reproduction, here the each cell which is nearest to opposite each other, the peg-like structures are produced from both sides. Here this filament, which is considered as the male filament or male gametes, male filament, male gametes. Okay. Another one is a female filament. A female filament. Gamete or filament in the cell. The male gamete is a much active one, and female gamete is a sluggish, means not active. Female gamete is a not active. Male gamete active comes forward first, and the one which is the possessive protrudes outside. That time, these female gametes also protrudes outside. And such protrudes outside, the structure goes on extending towards each other. These peg-like structures are conjugate. And here the tubular structures which are formed. These tubes they fuse to each other by dissolving their tips, and entire channel is formed. Entire channel is formed. That is the conjugation canal. Conjugation canal. It is also known as a conjugation tube. Conjugation tube is a form. This conjugation tube, when it forms, that time the physiological content from this male, the male is always active, smaller, female is large in size, sluggish. The whole content of the male, nucleus, then cytoplasm, chloroplast, they are migrates. There are 3 to 4 diagrams in this communication. I will draw only 2 diagrams. And the whole content comes female filament. And male filament electron becomes empty, and the whole content comes in the cell structure. This whole content of the male gamete and female gametes gathered together, it secretes all around itself, becomes rounded insect. This rounded structure consists the zygospores. Zygospore consists the three-layer structure. Outer and inner layer are smooth and thin. Middle layer is a thick one. Centrally consists the nucleus. And this is the zygospores. This is the zygospore. The zygospore formation takes place by the scalariform. Scalariform is nothing but the ladder-like structure. The conjugation is a ladder-like structure. This cell. In these cells, that is the conjugation to which form and exactly look like ladder-like structures because it consists the unicellular structure. Long filaments are there, and this ladder-like structures. This is the scalariform conjugation. So, we are going to see the second method, that is the lateral conjugation. In the scalariform conjugation, two elements are essential to form the zygospore, but in a lateral conjugation, only one filament is essential, which is the thread-like filament structure. Now, enlarge the structure. This one, it consists of the second method, that is known as the lateral conjugation. Lateral conjugation. Here, in the lateral conjugation, only one filament is essential. In scalariform conjugation, two filaments are essential, like parallel to each other. One is the male active one, the male is the Spanish one. But in this lateral conjugation, one filament is essential. But the cells which are present in many cells, one behaves as a male filament, and adjacent cell, which is nearer to this male cell, is known as the female cell. Morphological they are similar, but physiological content are dissimilar at the time of the conjugation. Each cell consists the chloroplast, pyramids, then cytoplasm, nucleus. This structure is not essential, much important here to study details under the cell structure we have said. By conjugation, the cell between partitions becomes disturbed, becomes loosened, and the whole content that is from this male filament comes cell to the female filament. Here in the second diagram, the whole content from this male comes into this female filament. Next diagram, male filament is a young tail and female filaments, the whole content which comes inside this, it secretes the wall around itself, becomes a rounded, forms the zygospore. From the zygospore. Therefore, conjugation wall is formed. The zygospore, it is strengthened to wall in outline, uninucleated, unicellular, with dense cytoplasm which consists of three layer structures, outer and inner, smooth, thin wall, and middle is thick wall. This zygospore non-flagellated. This zygospore undergoes the germination under low temperature and moisture. In time, inside breaks open, and from this intake, nucleus around the dense cytoplasm migrates in the germ tubes. Germ tubes develops into the new filament. In this way, new filament is developed by the sporogram. This method is known as the lateral. Conjugation takes place to the lateral side of the adjacent cell.